used to it. It's me, Sally, the old bitch, darling. I have decided to video blog you because I'm just too lazy to type today. It's like 3:28, so I've just been outside. Oh my, about to quit smoking, just come back from the smoke outside. So I thought, hey, instead of emailing you, I'm going to be lazy. As soon as you write so usefully, I'd love to hear you talk. I thought I'm going to convo blog you. I don't know if there's such a word or thing. A blog conversation. And then I thought outside, maybe we could have these instead of emailing one another, and frequently as we have been, and your emails are just a pleasure. I save them. They're so funny and they're so excellent. I'd love to be in the same room as you, darling. I think it would be like fucking a blast. I think it could be quite fucking funny. It would be so excellent. So if you're keen, sign up for YouTube. It's quick, it's fast, it's easy. YouTube.com, you must know it. It's very quick and easy. And then, like me, I'm lazy. I don't have a video camera, so I'm on webcam. So, yeah, but cool. And look, you can see my dogs in the background. Well, one's mine. The Italian Grey's mine. This is like so cool. I mean, writing's cool too, but talking's even better, bud. Hey, and maybe we could get our series going. Get our bitch and stew. Convo blog. Our emails like this instead. Just broadcast ourselves. Hear the voice, dude. We babysit this guy over here. Chihuahua. Thank you. That's Winston. Hey Winston, how are you? You good?
Okay, week on Friday, 22nd of August, Notting Hill.
You know,
he's doing a Capital Live gig for us.
I need to turn the volume down because I don't want to lose the audio. I like Capital London. I usually put it on all the time. This is Piccolo, Italian Grey, extraordinaire. It's his window sill, but he's sharing it with the puppy. This is my friend Fiona's puppy. He's 9 months. He's naughty, bud, but so's the Greyhound. The Greyhound has chewed a roll of Bounty, which I've got on my YouTube account. Like my shirt? I think you'll appreciate it. It's pretty rough. It's nice. This way I'm bad. I love Brooklyn. You'd like Brooklyn. Brooklyn's divine. This shirt is, the label is Eve to Mary, hence Eve and Mary J. Blige. Rap, R&B, hip-hop, trip-hop artists, extraordinaire too for me, they're divine. Advertising for Brooklyn. So yes, so if you're into it, I'm not going to drag on for too long, because I'm going to broadcast this crap anyway, but if you're into it, sign up for YouTube, do it quick at work, no one will know, and then email me back with your mouth. Convo, blogversation, blogversation, convo blog, I don't know what to call it. Maybe there's not even that word in the dictionary yet, so maybe I can make like a couple of million. I got a few actually. So anyway, darling, and let me get back to getting up to no good. Bye, babes.